Hi, my name is Andrea Slavin, and I'm going to give you a tour of a Sandhill community. We are here at Sweetwater Preserve in Gainesville, Florida. Sandhills are remnants of ancient coastal dunes. We are uphill from Sweetwater Branch, which is a small creek, and a bottomland hardwood forest. You can see there's a gently rolling terrain, which is characteristic of sandhills. The soil here is a deep, well-drained, nutrient-poor, sandy soil. Very sandy. You see a lot of sand here. And then under that layer, eventually, you'll get to clay. Fire is a crucial disturbance in sandhill communities. They create open areas which are favorable for the growth of sandhill species and keep the nearby hardwoods at bay. Some of these trees you can see have fire damage, which may have been from a prescribed burn or just a natural occurring fire. The canopy and overstory of sandhills is made up of pines. These are longleaf pines. And also we have a sand live oak right here, some Spanish moss on it. There isn't much of a mid-story to speak of. Young pines, young oaks, stuff like that. We have a lot of wiregrass on the understory. This is a fire-resistant species. Also here we have some sky blue lupine, which grows a beautiful blue wildflower in the spring. Another really common understory plant here is this is broom's edge. And let's see, mid-story, because it's kind of young, but could be a canopy eventually. Right here is the turkey oak with its very distinctive leaves. The sandhill was seen as a desirable location for human development, land clearing for agriculture, and timber mining. But their preservation is really important because the drainage helps prevent flooding in local communities. Sandhills are also ideal for a number of endangered species like the gopher tortoise and red-cocketed woodpeckers, who both of those species, their burrows and holes that they drill into trees provide homes for other animals like snakes and beetles and squirrels. So super important species. Right over here, the reason I'm going off trails, because this is one of my favorite plants in the sandhill. This is saw palmetto. So big and bushy with super spiky leaves. I never recommend going into them because they're a place where ticks like to hang out, but they also provide cover for boars and other animals. But if you look down in here, the blades are like they're like a hacksaw. They are just super finely serrated, and that's why it's called the saw palmetto. So human management and maintenance of this area is probably existent because it's a trail system, so they keep the trail maintained, and it looks like there's some prescribed fire happening here. On the other side of there used to be a train that runs through here, and now it's a rail trail. On the other side of the rail trail is a habit restoration area, so there's definitely human involvement in trying to preserve this sandhill. Across the state, folks are recognizing the significance of these rare sandhills and taking action to protect them by halting development and implementing prescribed controlled burns. And Doing so provides massive benefits to the local flora, fauna, and human communities. Thank you.